There are 4 obstacles you must face before you're ready for success. The first obstacle is fear. Fear is the biggest obstacle which prevents a person from moving forward in life. Fear results in lack of confidence and also encourages procrastination. Living under fear is like living in prison. It is not the failure itself that holds you back, it is the fear of failure that paralyzes you. The second obstacle is lack of motivation. There were 2 friends. One was an alcoholic and a huge failure, and other was successful and a winner. When asked why he was an alcoholic and failure, he said, "Since childhood, I have seen a lot of problems at home. My father was also an alcoholic and used to create a lot of troubles at home. Our financial condition was very poor. Hence, I am unable to achieve anything good in life and end up being like my father." When the alcoholic asked the successful friend, "Why is he so successful?" the person replied, "Since childhood, I have seen a lot of problems at my home. My father was also an alcoholic and used to create a lot of trouble at home. Our financial condition was also very poor. Hence, I decided that I will never be like my father, and that decision motivated me to change everything in my life." Here's the thing, losers see their problems as excuses. For losers, these problems are big excuses for them to not do anything great with their life. On the other hand, winners use their problem as motivation force to allow them to move ahead. Motivation is the key to success. The third obstacle is low self-esteem. People with high self-esteem focus on growth and improvement, whereas people with low self-esteem focus on not making mistakes in life. People with low self-esteem are more troubled by failure and they tend to exaggerate events as being negative. Their glass is always half empty. People with high self-esteem usually believe in themselves and know they are a great addition to this world. Their glass is always half full. What we think about ourselves is really important. Whether you think that you can or you can't, you are right. Fourth obstacle, ego. For some people, pride is everything. It never allows them to learn anything new. They do not respect others and prevent them from moving ahead in life. Winners have a healthy pride. After achieving something huge in life, they can still stay down to earth with humility and also stay open and keep learning from others. We come close to being great when we are great in humility.
If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, turn on the notification to be updated with our uploads.